Hi, my name is Kaliana Banks, and today I'll be talking about my recommendation report for homelessness in Albuquerque, New Mexico. For my introduction, I will talk about the homelessness in Albuquerque and how it's become a major issue. I'm also going to talk about what Albuquerque already has done and what they've put in place, but that hasn't been enough to really reduce the homelessness. Because the main question is, how to reduce homelessness in Albuquerque? For the methods, I'll research who the main people are that are homeless, why people are homeless in the first place, what we as a community can do to help, and how we will be able to accomplish this. For results, I'll discuss what I found and explain the best way to reduce homelessness. For example, vouchers, mental health facilities, housing programs, and a solution of where we will get the money to fund these programs. In the discussion and analysis, I will discuss the findings and explain in depth who, what, why, and how. I will also analyze and discuss how these ideas are feasible and how we will work to reduce homelessness in Albuquerque. In conclusion, I'm going to sum up the report and talk about how this recommendation is the solution to my main question: how to reduce homelessness in Albuquerque. Thank you.